Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to enter Fastboot on Pixel 9. So, firstly, you should turn off your device. To do that, press power and volume up. Afterwards, click power off and wait a while. After for about 5 or 7 seconds, just press and hold power and volume down buttons together. If it doesn't work, release both buttons, then press it again. Cool! Now we've entered Fastboot mode. To navigate here on this mode, we should press on volume down or volume up to scroll our list. And here, as you can see, changes the mode. And for example, if we wanna open recovery mode, so now we just should click power button. If we wanna open rescue mode, so now click power button to see the barcode, or power off or start in normal mode, so click power button. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.